Hello guys, welcome back to video. Today I am on this game, is the lovely game. Jet Engine has officially released. And let's see the intro. Ooh, that's spicy. I like the dash. So today we are gonna check this out. Very cool. Ooh, okay. Okay. I want to see how the dash looks. What? I don't get it. What? Huh? A Reaper assault. Hold. Oh damn, bro got assaulted. I want to see the finisher. Finish her. What the hell? Sound breaker. What the hell? Sound effects, man. Reaper assault. Oh, what the? Holy crap! Oh my! Oh my! The impact frames. Wait, what is this? What is the passive? Oh, that's the passive. Wait, there's a tap. Oh, that's sleek. What? I'm guessing there are 3 levels. I'm guessing. Halt bro real quick. Tap. Another cutscene. Wow. It's like the same thing but without the stuff, without the early part. I want to see the second one. The game is loud. I don't know. Do I back up? I think so. Oh, that's so cool! Same thing? Same thing. Okay, time for let's check out turbine drive. Ooh, that goes hard. I don't know how to hit that. Oh, it's a nasty combo. Let's do sound breaker. Yo, JoJo's reference. What the hell, bro? Is there any new mastery? There is no new mastery. Oh yeah, I got Azure Flame mastery. Very like. I think Soundbreaker is easily my favorite feature right now. Not not gonna lie. This has so much combo potential. Oh, I just farted so hard. What the hell? How does the second one? Yeah, we missed it. Oh my god, I saw it. Hard. Yeah, I never tapped that, did I? Aerial? I think there is. What about Soundbreaker? Oh, that's cool. Wow, everything has a aerial variant. Wow. What about Jetstream? Look like it. Nothing? Boom. Absolutely body. I was in the air. That's a good combo. In the air and stuff. This guy has so much potential, man. I want to know, does the aerial have a finisher? I don't know. Wait, I didn't try the long range version. There's a long range version. Let me try Turbine Tries. Okay, let's try Soundbreaker. I forgot that does nothing. Like bottom, you know, like that. This is a very complicatedly fun game. Okay, let's try hitting it from a long distance. I missed by a centimeter. That is embarrassing. Alright. Any finisher, so I'm double triple checking, you know. Can never be too sure. Oops, my bad. I just socked him, bruh. I swear I just socked him. That's crazy. I like the second one. It does more damage. Okay, time for Soundbreak finish. I want to see what the other thing is. I love it. I love that. Perfect. I'm getting good at using it. quite literally. I don't think I can use my third ability. I think that's the problem. I can't use my fourth. No, it just goes away. Like it just goes away. So there's no feedback. And now I need to wait for it because this thing you did. I'm gonna do the tap. Oh my god, and I don't regret it. After that, hit me with infinity. Die. What? I got perfect. That was hilarious, not gonna lie. So it's fast to use, it's good to use it quickly. My head gears are head gearing, bro. What the hell, bro? I understand it now. Then let's do the awakening. Let's do the what? Whoa. I want to do Jet Storm first. I have a good feeling. Whoa! Wow! Yo, this is high. And you can just hit him with. Yo, with my awakening, it looks so cool. My jet awakening. Oh, my L1. Look fire. Let's go Chrome. What? How do I hit that? Mouse side. I don't know how to use these, man. Turbo release. Jet Storm again, I guess. I don't use anything from that. I love this one though. This one is so good. He's getting bullied, man. Poor guy. He's getting bullied. Wow. It's flattered. I missed by an inch. Oh, I love that. Oh, that hit hard. Okay. Oh, damn. Nothing really changed. Let me get my alt. My thing did not think, man. What the heck? Very cool. Where am I looking? I was too cool for him, you know. Bro. Bro. No, I meant to hold. Too far. Lend me my all. Lend me my all. Lend me my all. My bad. Get railed. Whoop. Combo. I understand it now. Where he went too far though. If I get it in a specific angle, I really like it. Very cool, almost have my... Yeah, look, if I like do it point blank, it good, it very good. I wanna use... How do I hit that? Huh? I don't know what... Huh? I missed that. I'm so bad. I want to see a finisher for Mark. You know, Turbo Roy. Crap. Mark 5. I don't know, man. I don't know how to do it. Let me just turn off shift lock so I can do my outro. Let me emote. Let me start emoting.